We use color bands and pit tags to help us distinguish the males from the females of this sexually monomorphic sparrow species. We use a unique color of color bands at each site to help us identify birds moving between different study sites. Males are banded with one aluminum band and one color band on the right leg. Females are banded with one aluminum band and one color band on the left leg, and two color bands on the right leg. We have epoxied a pit tag to one of the color bands on the right leg, which we reinforce with electrical tape. The PIT in PIT tag stands for Passive Integrated Transponder, and they are tracking tags with a unique string of numbers. These transponders are about the size of a grain of rice and can be read by a receiver which records the identification number of the tag. PIT tags are similar to the microchips placed in pets and are used for tracking and counting a variety of species. This allows us to confirm which female belongs to the nest we find. Nestlings born at the site will be banded with an aluminum on the right and one color band on the left. Any other individuals are banded with an aluminum band only, since we can't be sure the bird is from the particular site. We prepare the pit tags ahead of time since they need to set for 24 hours. First, we file down one side of the color band to give the epoxy a better surface to attach. Then, we mix the epoxy and apply the pit tag to the color band using toothpicks. We use cut strips of electrical tape to secure the pit tag and color band when drying. Pit tags allow us to associate any nest we find with the female if she has already been captured. This is a way we can avoid additional captures that may further cause stress on breeding females. It also saves us time, which we can devote to finding more nests. Once we find a nest in the field, we place the RFID or radio frequency identification reader on the nest, being cautious not to disturb the nest to see if we can identify the female. We usually wait anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes for the female to return to the nest. If we are successful, we will have a reading on the receiver which we can associate with the female. We practiced placing an RFID reader on an empty nest and used our fish keychain that has a test pit tag in it. If we saw her return to the nest and there is no read, then we will attempt to catch the female. Either she is unbanded or has lost her pit tag.